Delete multiple apps on Android and iOS. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on the both Android and iOS, so please make sure you watch the full tutorial. So firstly what you have to do is you have to go to your security pre-install security app of your mobile device. So this is process is for the Android. So the Android users, you have to go to your security app, uh, system security app, and then what you can do is you can see their option manage apps. So here you can see the manage apps is here. Click on the manage apps, and here you can see all these options in the top. You can see updates, uninstall, find apps, permissions. So you have to click on the uninstall here, and here you can choose all the apps that you want to delete. So after choosing all the apps, what you can do, you can choose the multiple apps here, and then you can click on the uninstall button in the bottom, and it will ask again to delete, and then you have to again click on the OK button to delete all these apps. And now you have deleted the multiple apps. So that's basically it. I don't show this due to I can't delete this. So you can delete by clicking on the uninstall, choosing all the apps, and then click on the uninstall button in the bottom, and then again click on the OK button. So that's basically that how the Android users can delete the multiple apps on their Android phone. And for the iOS user, you have to go to your home screen. You can when you long hold any of the app, or when you swipe, when you put two fingers and then you have to drag like this, then you can see there is menu. And then what you can do is you can choose all the apps like this, and then you can, there is option of the delete button, uh, and then you can click on the delete button, and you can delete it delete the multiple apps. So that's basically it, that how you can delete multiple apps. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.